Hey guys, Ms. Fulton here. Not only is it important to keep your brain thinking, but it's also important to keep your body moving. So we are going to do a movement break. I will upload all of the movements after we get done with our little workout. You will need a chair or a bench to do some tricep dips on. Remember, do your personal best. We're going to start off with 50 crunches. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, keep going, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Woo! That was great. Now, we are going to do 25 jumping jacks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, now we have 20 lunges. Let's alternate. So hands on your hips. You are going to lunge first with your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Now we're going to do our tricep dips, so you will need a bench, a chair. I'm going to grab my bench right now. Okay. When you do your tricep dips, your arms will go on the edge, and then you will dip. Let's do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Now, 5 push-ups. You can do it the traditional way, or you can do it on your knees. You pick. I'm going to move the bench out of the way. So, 5 push-ups. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Now, 50 bicycles. So get on the floor again, like you're doing a crunch, but we're gonna move our legs like we are pedaling a bike. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. Way to go. Now, burpees. So you jump up, kind of make a plank on the ground, and you jump back up again. 5 burpees. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo, that was great. Now 20 squats. 20 squats. Legs shoulder width apart. I like to put my hands on my hips, or you can put it out in front of you. 20 squats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Lola clearly wants to join us today. What are you doing? Just hanging out. All right, let's finish this up with 25 high knees. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16, 25. Awesome job, guys. Remember, keeping our brain strong, our bodies strong. We got to keep our bodies moving. Keep up the great work.